What is up, shop gnomes? Matt with Mikey Designs here. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing video. Jonathan from Catspit Productions sent us some supplies, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, here are the boxes that Jonathan sent. Essentially this, I do know that it's screen printing supplies, and we're gonna do some product reviews. I've used the product before and it's really great product. However, I'm gonna do a unbiased review of each of the screen printing chemicals that are in these boxes, but I don't even know what's sent, so I'm excited to open these up. I'm going to go ahead and get out my trusty box opener, and you can see how well packaged these packages are. He does a great job. You know, most of the time he always sends us something a little cool, so let's see what's in here. Boy, generally I can use my key to get these things open quite easily. Jonathan, you did a great job packing these up. We got our boxes nice and open. I think I'm gonna go with the bigger box first. It's kind of like Christmas. I've been asking him to, or I haven't been asking him, but I said, hey, jokingly, why don't you send me a skull so I can put one on my press too? So I got a place for this. Of course, you know where this is going. Ow! All right, I might have to figure out something a little bit better of a way to stick this here, but you get the point. Okay, he sent me some other little goodies. Sent some buttons. That's pretty cool. Man, we were just talking about that on our live feed the other day about possibly doing some buttons. So, Jonathan, I appreciate that. That's awesome. Ah, very nice. Handful of Catspit t-shirts. Oh, this is awesome. Thanks, Jonathan. I'm gonna give one of these to the shop gnome. I'll let her take a pic out of the sizes, and we're definitely gonna sport some of these t-shirts on some of our videos. Let's see what else we got here. It's really well packed. Going to get rid of some of this packing paper here and see what we're left with. Okay, first off, we have some Rhinotech screen opener. It says for water-based inks, but I imagine this will probably work for plastisol inks as well. I'll have to ask about that. We're just running out of screen openers, so this is something we definitely could use immediately. Ah, okay. Clear screen opener. Okay, so we have, this is for water-based ink here, which is really cool. We plan on getting into a little more water-based printing here soon. And then Albachem, got screen clear. Opens clogged screen, emulsion safe. I've noticed that some of the screen opener I have been using has been wearing away some of the emulsion, so great, really needed this. Next up, we have some Rhino Clean. I take it that this is ink wash. I'm gonna have to look that up, look up the product number and see what this is exactly. But these are all green products that Jonathan sells. So don't forget, guys, that we are an official rep for Catspit Productions. So use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your screen printing purchases, and it'll kick a little commission our way, so that way we can continue to make these videos. Let me open this up. I'm not quite sure what this one is just yet. Mel Products. I'm not even sure what this is. I'm gonna have to ask Jonathan exactly what this is, but we'll definitely review that as well. And I imagine this is a couple of them. If I had to guess, this is probably emulsion remover. Tend to be a clear color. And we have, I'm not quite sure what the difference is between the two, but they're both green products. So we'll have to cross-reference what those are. Nice. Oh, nice. Some water-based ink. I'm excited to give this a try. We have the Force air conveyor dryer, but we've hardly done any water-based screen printing on it. So I'm going to put this to use pretty quickly. I'm really excited about this because, and it's white, because I've heard some really great things about the Amex brand, so cool. And it looks like that's about it for this box. Let's toss it aside. What's in the box? Oh, I was just saying, what's in the box? Everything's fine, Shannon, the shop gnome. Everything's fine. Okay. I do have something cool for you, though.
Is it the bubble wrap?
It's the bubble wrap, as well as some t-shirts Jonathan sent.
Jonathan sent shirts?
He did.
Aww.
Here,
I'm putting it on.
pick you a size. Okay, this one is really well packed as well. Or también.
Sure.
I know, you're gonna have to send him a better shirt now. He likes next level, remember?
Oh, next level.
Yeah. Okay, so here is the next item. Looks like we have all text screen printing inks, the Plastisol ink, and I'm assuming it's black. I don't know, but it says non-lead base for textile printing. Very cool. I'm excited to put this to use as well. Do a little review on it. And then it looks like we got some white here. More than likely, yeah, it's Plastisol screen printing ink. It's white. I'm gonna give this a try. It's the HO white. I'm not sure what the HO is, but thanks, Jonathan. That's awesome. I can't wait to put that to use. Ah, awesome. We have some more ink. We have some lemon yellow ink here. We have some red ink. It's probably a Raider red or a bright red. And then we have a light pink, very cool. Breast Cancer Awareness Month is coming up, so I'm sure we can put this to use. And by the way, guys, we're gonna do a review on all these products and give you an unbiased review of everything. Well, very cool. I really appreciate that, Jonathan. Here are all the inks and everything. Shannon grabbed up a shirt already. The pens. Very cool stuff. Very cool. I really appreciate you sending that. Last but certainly not least, I've already opened this box and kind of checked things out. But one of the things when you do become part of the Ranar family is Jonathan will take care of you. I mean, we'll both take care of you, answer your questions. He was kind enough to help line up some of these parts that I needed to really give the press a tune-up. So we got some replacement knobs. Considering the fact my press is about 16 years old at this point, he hooked up with the knobs for every single head. I call it the barrel nut, but I forget what the exact term is for it. Shaft collars, there we go. Sent shaft collars to essentially go along with these. A new plunger for each station. Excuse me, well, there's only one of these plungers, but because the owner that had the press before me didn't really keep it lubed up very well, the little brackets underneath each station where it clicks is kind of worn out. We also got some of the, I wouldn't say these are heavier duty. The roller bearings for the key are just as heavy duty, but they did change the key. The key is a little thicker on the newer models. He hooked it up with the roller bearings, which your key goes into. So here's the key. And I'll show you the difference between the two, what's currently on my press. Here's the other set of 3. So we have a total of 6. And then here are the brackets that I'm talking about, where the plunger locks it in to each station. Last but not least, the clamp bars. Mine had gotten a little worn out from over clamping it. I've learned a lot since. Over clamping was one of the issues that I had, and he had me send the measurements because the press has changed up a little bit. The head is a little bigger. They custom cut some new clamp bars for me. Keep an eye out as well for a little bit of a tune-up video for the Ranar press. I'll say one of the great things about having gotten my Ranar press, it turned me on to Ranar's equipment. Jonathan over at Catspit Productions, and even though it was a used press, he's been nothing but helpful with helping me get this thing tuned up, answering any questions that I have. It really turned me on to all of Ranar's equipment in general, which I'm going to do a review on all the equipment as well. Let's just say I'm happy with it, but I'll also bring you a non-biased review. Or is that unbiased? I went to art school. I'm not an English major. My parents speak Ebonics to an extent, so you'll have to forgive me sometimes. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget that we are an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs. You'll get $5 off your screen printing supplies or equipment purchases. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello. Go over to our Facebook page, give it a like, follow us on Instagram, and until next time, guys, we'll see you later.